Want to know how to create your first Java project with NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. Now, once you've opened up your NetBeans application, it should look something like this. Now, right beside its logo, you should be seeing new project right here. Just simply select it, or you can also select Ctrl+Shift+N. Yeah, the choice is yours. Now you will have to choose the project. So since we want to make it a Java project, just simply select Java application and then select next right here. Now once you select your next, name your project. So you can just simply name your project anything. You can also see your project location and then select finish right here. Now once that is done, you type victory and it's process, so it's start. So once everything is done, right here you can see our project has been successfully created, and now you can start coding with Java. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.